boys and girls, we are on page 675 and we're going to work on a word problem today. And because it's a word problem, let's write cubes on the side of our workbook because we're going to be using the cube strategy to help us today. Okay, so help me read the problem and we'll start by circling the numbers like we always do. Help me read. Cadence made the shape below using only trapezoids and triangles. How many blocks are missing? Okay, I don't see any numbers here, but they are asking how many blocks are missing, but I don't see any numbers to circle. So let's check that off. But they're asking us how many blocks are missing, so we'll keep that in mind. We don't have any numbers to circle though. Next, let's underline the question. All right, we already started talking about the question. It starts with the words how many, right? Just like a lot of questions in math start with how many. And it ends with the question mark. That's how we know it's the question. So underline how many blocks are missing. Okay, they want to know how many blocks are missing from this picture. So check that off. And next we're going to box the action words. So what did Cadence do again? Cadence made. So let's put a box around the word made. She made the shape below using only trapezoids and triangles. Are there any other action words? Yeah, she was using certain shapes. Now, are there any hint words? Right. She used trapezoids, that's a hint word, and she used triangles. Those are hint words. They're not action words, but they are hinting at what we're doing. Okay, let's check off B for box. Next, we're going to need the equation. And I want to look at our page because down at the bottom of the problem it says 3 trapezoids and blank triangles. So they want to know, they want us to use 3 trapezoids. So here's already 1 trapezoid, 1 red shape. And then they want to know how many triangles all together are being used. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So the equation is going to be that they actually want us to use 3. They didn't say it in the problem, but down here it says 3, doesn't it? So we know it's going to be 3 trapezoids plus some triangles equals our total number of shapes. So now we know we need to use 3 trapezoids. Let's go to our pattern blocks. And here's a trapezoid. We can put this somewhere. Can I put it right here? Could I put it like maybe like right here? No, because it's going past the line, so I can't go past the line. I have to be really careful where I put it. How about right here? Could I put it like that? Well, I could, but I want to put it right on top of this other trapezoid, just so I'm being nice and careful about that. And let's see, I have to use 3 trapezoids. Have I used 3 trapezoids? Nope, that's just 2 so far. Let's put another one over here. Now, have I used 3 trapezoids? Yes, good job. So that's my 3 trapezoids that they wanted me to use, right? Now the rest have to be triangles. Do you see some triangles? I already see some white triangles there. Let's use our pattern blocks and put the triangles where they go. Oh, here's a triangle, but my triangle doesn't look like it's going to cover that. There's some white space. What do I have to do? Right, turn it upside down. Might have to turn your shapes and use your imagination. There's one triangle. Oh, I'm going to put the other one up. Here, wait, it doesn't cover the whole space. What do I have to do? Right, be prepared to turn it upside down sometimes. Use your imagination to rotate the shape. And here's this white space. I wonder if I can get a triangle in there. Oh yeah, if I turn it on its side, I could get a triangle to fit right there and cover that white space completely. Let's get another triangle. Oh, and here's one more triangle. Can I leave it like that? No, I still see white space, so I actually have to move the triangle until it fits and covers the space completely. Have to be really careful. There, that's it. Okay, so let's see how many triangles we use to cover the shape, to make the new composite shape. Let's count all of them. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one, 9. So it's 3 trapezoids and 9 triangles. So how many shapes were used in all? 9 plus 3, or 3 plus 9. So let's see, I'm going to put 9 in my head. 9, count on, 10, 11, 12. What's the sum? 12. There are 12 shapes used to make this composite shape. And what composite shape is it? Here it is. Put a trace around the outside. This is the composite shape that they made. Okay, thank you, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time.